Hello. Hello, literacy class. Sorry, trying to keep you guys entertained. There's our little flamingo. She plays a song. Anyway, I missed you guys. Poor little flamingo. Okay. Hello, I hope you're doing well. We are going through our literacy day 1 of our new week of vocabulary words and spelling words. So our central question today is, what can you see in the sky? Our oral vocabulary words are observe. To watch carefully, I can observe what the birds do in a bird bath. Vast means very large. We sailed on the vast ocean. Our oral vocabulary words, certain. You are sure it is true. Juan is certain that he will have fun at the fair. Remained, stayed the same, or stayed in place. The kite got stuck in the tree and it remained there until the wind blew it down. Thoughtful, kind, and thinks about how others feel. Kayla was thoughtful when she baked her grandmother bread. Here's our phonics lesson. This week we're working on UR, UR and ER. So IR, UR, OR. So let's get ready to blend the words. We have girl, bossy R. Germ, bossy R. They're all bossy R's this week unless we're doing review words. Curb, curb. World. Her, bird. Curl. First. Worm. Dirt. Word. Verb. Turn. Jerk. Nurse. Curve. So that E is not really super E, it just is a silent E. Bun. Burn. Clock. Clerk. Shirt. Skirt. Large. Lucky. There's that crazy Y. Lucky. Flight. Remember that I. Flight. Better. Return. Surprise. Here we're going to read sentences. Read with me. The girls at work were thirsty. There's our crazy one. A big bird lurks on top of the church. Fern will hurry back to change her skirt. Okay, let's go through our spelling words. Her name is Fern. Her. The bird is eating a worm. Bird. The dog's fur has 2 colors of brown. Fur. Mom is cleaning the dirt out of the carpet. Dirt. A fern is a green plant. Fern. The man is working on the door. It says working. Our word is work without the ing feathers at the end there. The barn is red. Barn. His review word. His arm has muscles. Arm. The boy will climb the ladder. Climb. I will walk through the door. Through. Okay, our high frequency words for this week. Another. Let's say it 5 times. Another. Climb. Full. Great, 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 great. Pour, 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 pour. Through. Now this is not like you threw a ball. This is like I'm through the day I felt sick. Through the day I missed my students. Through. 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 Okay, let's read some sentences using our high frequency words this week. The cat will climb another tree. So now we have climb and another in that sentence. The glass is not full. Full. The poor dog needs more water. Pour. This park is great, so let's walk through it. Okay, vocabulary words. More vocabulary. Leaped. Made a big jump. The dog leaped in the air to catch the ball. Leaped. What is the difference between leaped and hopped? So hopped might be a small jump, where a leap would be a large jump. Stretch. Have extended a body part. The girl stretched her arms and legs before playing basketball. I hope you're getting outside. Grammar activities. Grammar. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So remember, a noun is a person, place, an animal, or a thing. But an adjective describes the noun. So it could be number, it could be color, size, or shape. They also tell how the things look, how they sound, how they feel, how they smell, and how they taste. Okay, identify the adjectives in each sentence. So it already has it. I wish it didn't. It already has it circled for you. A big crow floated in the sky. Big, so that tells us the size. So the crow is the noun, and big tells us about the crow, about the noun. I feel the hot sun on my face. So sun would be the noun. What kind of sun? Hot. Hot sun. Did you see the girl in the red skirt? So girl and skirt would both be our nouns there. So what kind of skirt? Red. I see 6 birds on the tree. So there's a number that is an adjective. 6. How many words? 6. I ate a sweet peach at lunch. So peach would be our noun, a thing. What kind of peach? Sweet. Yum. Okay, let's talk a bit about capitalization, and end marks. The word I, proper nouns, in every sentence begin with a capital letter. Sentences must end with a punctuation mark, exclamation mark, question mark, or a period. Let's correct each sentence. 4 birds are in the little bird bath. So here, of course we need the capital because we know every sentence starts with a capital. So we need 4, capital F, 4 birds are in the little bird bath. We don't need a capital on little, so we switched it. And it's not a question, you're telling me there were 4 birds in the bird bath. So it is a telling sentence. Do Bert and Carly live on Skylark Farm? That is a question. So we want to have a question mark. We need a capital, of course. We need a capital on Bert and Carly because those are names, nouns, proper nouns. And then also a proper noun is a place, the actual name of a place. So Skylark Farm would both be capitalized, and that is a question. Do Bert and Carly live on Skylark Farm? So that is a question. Help, I dropped my purse in the mud. Is that a question, or is she telling, or he telling us? I dropped my purse in the mud. So we're going to make sure we do a capital help. And then I, always capitalize the word I. Help, I dropped my purse in the mud. And that's an exclamation mark because that was a terrible thing that would happen. Okay, that's the end of our lesson for today, which would be your lesson for Tuesday, or your first lesson, whichever day you're starting. I hope you're having a great time and growing and reading. Make sure you read. All right, see you guys later. Have a great night.